Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Diablo 4 Barbarian. Barbarians are formidable warriors, masters of close quarters combat, and they thrive on the front lines. Your primary goal is to engage enemies directly, dealing massive damage while shrugging off incoming attacks. We will cover essential skills, optimal gear choices, and effective combat strategies to help you dominate the battlefield with ease. Let's dive into some core skills that make the Barbarian so effective. Lunging Strike is your go-to basic attack, generating fury and letting you quickly close distances to foes. For clearing groups, Whirlwind is a fantastic choice, allowing you to spin through enemies, dealing continuous damage. Rallying Cry offers crucial survivability and resource boosts, while Wrath of the Berserker provides a powerful damage window for 10 seconds. Gearing up your Barbarian is crucial for success. Always prioritize two-handed weapons for your main damage skills, as they offer the highest damage per hit. Seek out gear with beneficial stats like strength, vulnerable damage, and critical strike chance to amplify your offensive power. For defense, focus on resistances, maximum life, and damage reduction on your armor pieces. Remember, legendary aspects can dramatically improve your build. Mastering the Barbarian's combat strategy involves a few key principles. Always try to engage multiple enemies at once to get the most out of your area of effect skills. Efficient fury management is vital. Generate it with basic attacks and spend it wisely on your most potent abilities. Utilize your defensive skills, like Rallying Cry, to stay alive during intense encounters. Strategic positioning ensures you hit as many targets as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.